Hi, today we're going to talk about the Aldipro Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This is an 18-inch lightweight model that's about 30% lighter than traditional ones. This is ideal for those that are looking for something a little bit lighter and not so bulky. It's an 18-inch design and it's really powerful for the size. It runs on a 21-volt battery, which is included along with a charger, and there is a cover for the blades. Speaking of the blades, these are diamond cut and they're designed to cut up to 5/8 of an inch in diameter branches. As you'll see during my demo, it does a great job cutting through dense hedges. Also very good for just manicuring and tidying up hedges like you'll see right here. There is a dual safety protection system on here where you have to grip the handle and push the switch in order to activate the blades. So it's very safe in that regard. And being cordless, you don't have to worry about your cord getting in the way, which I find exceptionally convenient. Here I'm cutting through a tree branch that's not real thick, but it just does a great job right through it. And here is a little bit thicker and a little bit heavier diameter hedge that we're cutting, and it just makes quick work of it. And what I really like about it is it's so light that you can use this thing for quite some time without becoming fatigued in your arms. And as you see here, these are crepe myrtles, and we're just chopping those down to the base, and it just makes quick work of it. If you take a look at there, it's doing a great job. Very happy with it. And I just wanted to say, if you're looking for a lightweight trimmer, please take a look at this Aldipro. It is quite a nice utility to have for cleaning up your hedges and keeping your yard looking nice.